Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madu Osage. Thank you for staying tuned and thank you for your love so far. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I draw my brows, natural looking brows using brow pencil. And yeah, that's me showing you my brow pencil, showing my blending brush to blend my highlighting after drawing my brows. And I'm also going to be using a lash glue, and I'm also going to be using an unbranded brow tint. And also I forgot to actually show you guys the brush I use for cleaning my brows after drawing my brows, and that's the concealer I'm going to use to clean my brows in the shade Warm Honey Elegant Pro. And yes, that's the unbranded brow tamer or brow tint, whatever you want to call it. So first of all, I'm going to go in and use my, and that's my spoolie, by the way, very important. I'm using this brush from my Bell brush set. So first of all, you're going to brush out your brows and just brush it in out with your using your spoolie. And after that, I'm going to go in to use my lash glue. Guys, the secret to using this is to make your brows last longer and then to keep your brows intact, like in place. If you're makeup artist, you should know this hack. This is an amazing hack. Like I said, I told you before, my YouTube video is going to show you lots of beauty hacks, and this is one of them. You're going to see more as time goes on. So I'm going to brush in the lash glue. Like, by the way, I'm not using so much glue. I'm just using a little, and that's going to put my brow in place all day, and it's not going to, move or shift, or it's just going to be in place. And I'm going in with my brow pencil in the shade 03. By the way, this brow pencil is very affordable. You can get it for as low as 100 naira, 150 naira if you're in Nigeria. And I'm just drawing my brows, following my hairline, guys. I am not drawing my brows above my hairline. I am following my hairline. And by the way, as you can see, my brows are in place because of the lash glue. They're not moving, they're not scattered, they're actually in place. So I'm going to as you can see, I'm drawing my brows using my pencil and drawing the other part also. I am not adding pressure. I am going in, drawing my brow line gently and softly. I'm not adding pressure to the pencil. I'm not adding pressure to my face. I'm actually basically holding the pencil at the tip of the pencil, and I'm just following my hairline. I am not overdoing it. I am not drawing it so hard or with so much pressure, like I said earlier. And this is me actually shading in my brows gently and softly. Like I said earlier, guys, I'm not adding pressure on it. I'm not shading in my brows and making it too dark. I am going in softly. My pencil already is in dark brown, so I'm using light pressure to shade in my brows gently and softly, as you can see, guys. So I'm adding pressure so it doesn't get too dark and it doesn't look bad. The way, like I said earlier, we are trying to achieve a natural looking brow. So when you're trying to achieve a natural looking brow, you do not add pressure to your pencil, and you do not shade in with so much pressure, making it look really obviously unreal or fake, or making it not look natural. Whichever one you want to choose, guys. But by the way, I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. And do not forget to always use your spoolie. It actually reduces the effect of your shading and making it look more lighter. And yes, I'm going in with a pencil and trying to focus on the outline of my brow that I already outlined earlier on. So, and I'm shading in. I like to shade in the outer part of my brows more than the beginning part. The beginning, I like the beginning part. the beginning part of my brows to really look natural. So I'm going in with my brow tint. It's Unbranded. It doesn't really have any brand name, and I just got it, and it's very, very nice. Sometimes this product that you get that are very affordable can be really, really nice, guys. So as you can see, it's actually just tinting my brows almost immediately after applying it. The dark effect of my brows at definitely reduced, and I'm going in with my spoolie, and this also can also make your brow last long, because it also serves as a brow tamer. It tames your brows and keep your brow in like all day, and gives it this natural feeling and natural look. And after this, I am going to clean up my brows using my concealer and my flat brush, and I'm going to outline or highlight. I like to use the word highlight, just the same way you highlight your face. It's the same way you highlight your brows to just give it make it look neat and better. As you can see, the brows are already looking sleek. So yes, I am cleaning my brows or highlighting my brows using my Elegant Pro concealer in Warm Honey. And if you notice, I am not dragging it so too much, and I'm also not extending it to the beginning of my brows. Guys, if you want to achieve a very natural look, this concealer shade is really light, so I do not want to just clip my brows like that. I always like to go in and use my foundation shade to outline or clean up the beginning of my brows. That would actually give it a more natural looking, or rather a more natural look. I beg your pardon. I will give it a more natural look, guys. So I am using this shade of concealer at the rest of my face, or rather the rest of my brow, and I'm going to go in. That's me going in with the foundation shade, like I told you about, to create a contour effect, sort of to create a contour. This trick will give you a more natural looking brows. Like I said earlier, it's like highlighting and contouring, and this gives you a natural looking brows more than the usual or normal dramatic brows that we see and all that. And like I said, I really do not like to highlight the top of my brows, but if you have to, then make sure you're using your foundation shade, your exact foundation shade, and then you're tapping it into your skin properly and blending it out properly. So this is me blending in my products, my concealer and my foundation together. I am just tapping it into my skin. As you can see, it's actually looking really natural. Using my concealer and foundation is just to clean up my brows and make it look really nice. So I'm not doing anything too dramatic. Like I said, this is a tutorial for showing you how you can achieve a natural looking brows, and this trick, guys, will definitely give you a natural looking brows if you try it. Just make sure that you have your foundation on ground, your highlighting concealer, and do not use your concealer all over your brows to clean you all over your brows. Make sure that you use your foundation at the beginning of your brow and also at the tail end of your brows, and then your very bright concealer at the middle, that's under your brow bone, and this gives you a very more I beg your pardon, a more natural looking effect than the usual dramatic brows that you see on Instagram and the rest of it. Now this is you can use this as an everyday look. If you have to clean the top of your brows, maybe because they're not looking the same, like I said, two sides of your brows are never ever exactly the same, but they definitely have to look alike. So you look at your mirror very well and just clean up the excess and then go back with your pencil if you have to. Like I said earlier, make sure you're using your concealer shade and tap it into your skin and everything blends out. If you use your highlighting concealer, it really might look very crazy and dramatic and then very hard to blend. But that, as you can see what I did here, I used the concealer shade to clean the top of that other side of the brow, and then blending it in was very easy and it didn't look like I actually cleaned the top of the brow. So creating a natural looking brows, you just have to use the right product and follow this simple steps. And this is it, guys. Your brows ready, very ready. Yes, you can go in with your pencil to adjust, to do one or two. Just make sure you look at your brows very well in the mirror. If you're not comfortable with certain things, you can go in with your pencil, and that's why you have your concealer to clean up the excess or any mistake that you must have made. So basically, to make sure that your brows are looking almost perfect or nearly perfect. So guys, I'm done with my brows. If you actually want to make it really matte, you can go in with your powder and just tap it in. So yeah, I'm done drawing the brows. I hope you have learned a thing or two, and thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. So I am ready to go for my shopping. I actually was going out to shop, and I just decided to actually make this video for you guys. Quick and easy eyebrow tutorial using just your brow pencil, and very easy, affordable. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for subscribing. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment. I'll see you guys in my next video.